So turns out I can't dance. My family didn't tell me. And so all this time I've been dancing and nobody told me that I suck. They just waited for me to post a video on YouTube for everyone to see my humiliation, for me to find out that I can't dance. How could you do this to me, Mom? Sorry. So I hope you enjoy my okay dance moves. I'm not too bad, right? Oh, and clean with me. Put this on, clean as you go. We can clean and dance together. Freestyle. So if you thought I was like the best dancer you've ever seen in your entire life, like this video and subscribe as well. I will be making videos every week, but I probably won't be dancing anymore because it's not a good idea. But out of all the cleaning videos you could have picked, you picked mine. So maybe that says something. And you're still here at this moment, at the end of this video. I can't believe you made it through. That maybe shows me that I ought to make a video like this again. Thank you for watching today. I hope to see you soon. And please hit the subscribe button. See you later.